We're happy to introduce the new Zenith Model 225 Plus Chiropractic Treatment Table, which includes 4 standard manual drops, and it's also available with an option of 4 air drops in this configuration. Let's quickly step through the various features of the table, which include a standard forward motion cervical drop, a forward motion thoracic dorsal drop, a standard abdominal lumbar drop, and a standard manual pelvic drop. If you elect to get the option of the auto-cocking air drops, all 4 of these tables would be operated with auto air. Here's how they work. Drop headpiece, forward motion, thoracic, forward motion, lumbar, straight drop, and pelvic drop are all included with adjustable tension on the sides. It also includes a universal head raiser to elevate and tilt for proper position. Switches are included on the end as well as both sides of the base. Other options include the auto-cocking air drops, the power front section, a tuck-away footboard, and various other deluxe features. Thank you very much.